I've spent hundreds of hours in one-on-one nutrition coaching sessions, and I've noticed a pattern. Most people aren't struggling because they don't care about their health. They're struggling because they're following rules that don't actually work, or they don't have a system in place. Today, I'm sharing 3 common nutrition mistakes I see all the time and how to fix them. I'm Megan, a registered dietitian, and I'm here to help you bridge the gap between nutrition science and your real life. Let's dive into mistake number 1. The first thing I notice when I'm doing a 24-hour dietary recall with a new client is that there's usually no regular nutritional structure to their meals. They aren't doing anything wrong, they're just choosing food solely based on what sounds good. So for example, they might have spaghetti and sauce for dinner. It tastes great, but as a dietitian, I'm looking at that plate and immediately seeing nutritional gaps. So here's the fix. I want you to start thinking in building blocks. The 3 essential building blocks for any meal are carbs, protein, and fiber. So when you're deciding what to eat, keep what sounds good, like the spaghetti. But ask yourself, where's my protein and where's my fiber? Adding sauteed zucchini and chickpeas or lean turkey turns a meal that would have left you hungry in an hour into a meal that keeps your blood sugar stable all evening. The next mistake is the low carb at all costs mindset. I see so many clients choosing low carb tortillas, cauliflower rice, and bagel thins simply because they've been taught to fear carbs. But I'm actually going to let Ryan Gosling in The Fall Guy handle this one for me.
You need carbs. Your brain runs on glucose. For simple cognitive functions, you need them.
When you try to eat really low on carbs, your body will eventually revolt. That intense 9 p.m. sugar craving, that's not a lack of willpower. It's your brain literally begging you for the glucose that it needs to function. So what's the fix? Stop trying to trick your body. Instead of drastically cutting carbs, focus on eating the right types of carbs paired with the right other food groups. For example, choose brown rice for more fiber and vitamins, and pair that with some sauteed bell pepper and black beans. Then it's a win-win. Your brain gets glucose, you're going to have sustainable energy, and you can stop dreaming about bread all night. And the last mistake I see that we're going to talk about today is people intentionally skipping snacks so that they can save their calories for dinner. They think that by skipping that 3 p.m. snack, they're being disciplined or saving those calories for later. But by the time 4 or 5 p.m. rolls around, their hunger hormones are screaming. They arrive at dinner in emergency hunger mode, which often leads to choosing the less healthy choice and overeating. The fix? If there's more than 3 or 4 hours between lunch and dinner, your body needs a bridge snack, which just means a snack that builds a bridge between lunch and dinner. It's really not anything fancy. You can also just call it a snack. Instead of trying to white knuckle it and survive until 7 p.m., have a snack that includes carbs and protein, like an apple and peanut butter or Greek yogurt. By feeding your body before you hit that ravenous hunger point, you stay in the driver's seat with your food choices. You'll find that you actually eat less at night because you're not trying to make up for an entire afternoon of underfueling. And those are just 3 common nutrition mistakes I see all the time. There are definitely more where that came from, so if you guys want to hear more about these common mistakes and their fixes, please let me know in the comments below. But just remember, nutrition does not have to be defined by restriction. It should be more about giving your body the balance of foods that it needs to function and thrive. If you want a tool that helps you actually put these building blocks into practice, grab my simple meal planning toolkit at the link below. Inside that toolkit, the weekly meal planning worksheet helps you plan out those bridge snacks and some anchor meals with protein and fiber, so you aren't just eating whatever sounds good in the moment. You're eating something that supports you and actually makes you feel good. Download it for free at the link in the description or at nutritionundefined.com/resources. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.